Hello, dear students. Good morning. This is Professor Mukta Chandani. Today, I am going to present the lecture regarding the CSE branch. Means CSE branch, the Computer Science Engineering branch, how it will be beneficial for your future prospect, as well as how much facilities you will get if you will go through the Computer Science Engineering branch, IT branch. There are so many of technical fields regarding the different type of domains of your computer science engineering branch. Just I am going to say, if you will go through this branch, your technical knowledge will be improved, I know. But if you will get the different type of skills or different type of skills regarding the edit of your personality, regarding the edit of your attitude, different type of things you will added with your technical things, then it will be the really gearing of your set of skills. So just I'm going to share the screens. Here it is. For the computer science engineering gearing of your set of skills, you should go through the computer science engineering professionals can build their career in numerous domains like artificial intelligence, embedded systems, ethical hackings, wireless network, computer manufacturing, database system, web applications, animations, computer graphics, scientific modeling, computational biology, and video games, etc. So computer science engineering, if you will go through the CSE branch or computer science engineering branch or information technology branch, then there are different type of careers, different type of scopes, job opportunities, and how much salary you will offered in different companies. Just I am going to explain it. Like student aspiring to become a computer science engineer need to study design, implementation, management of information system, or both of the software as well as the hardware processes. Scope for the computer science engineering in CSE branch or computer science engineering branch, the students after passing CSE course get good opportunities to join some of the top brands such as multiple industries, IT software companies, sales and marketing companies, academics, institutions, journalism, content industry, engineering firms, etc. Computer science engineering eligibility criteria in UG level means undergraduate level and in the PG level means postgraduate level. If you are go through the computer science engineering branch, you must have the eligibility criteria of like this. In UG level, students need to pass their 12th examinations from their recognized board having PCM, physics, chemistry, maths as their core subject. They need to secure 60% as minimum aggregate marks. You get the above 60%, but minimum aggregate marks must be 60%. Then you will go through the computer science engineering branch when you are undergraduate, means if you will go through the BTech degree of computer science engineering. Now, after BTech degree, you will go, definitely you will go through the postgraduate level, means MTech. The students need to complete their BTech degree. You should have to complete the BTech degree right now. Just I am telling that BTech degree in the same specialization, means if you are in the computer science engineering branch, then you should have the completed their BTech degree in the computer science engineering. If you are mechanical branch, you have to completed their BTech degree in mechanical. Whatever the branch you have, you should have to complete the BTech degree in the same specialization with having a pass percentage in aggregate of the subject study at the degree level. Then computer science engineering required the set of skills. Means only educational requirement is not enough. If you are in engineer, if you are a technical engineering, computer science engineering, then it is okay. You have the many technical knowledge, but many other skills are also needed for the students for the pursuing of this course. They will be added to their personality. They need to possess certain key skills. What are they? The different key skills are you should have to good performing skills. You should have to good performing skills with added to the computer science engineering, with added to the mechanical, civil, whatever the branch you have, but good performing skills you should have. Problem solving skills, knowledge of the basic web development, critical thinking and analytical skills, basic of machine learning, and strong data structure skills, and the fast learning skills. You should have the improve your the skills you should have added to their technical knowledge. So it will be added to your technical knowledge, then it will be weightage in your biodata, and it will be weighted in your personality. Some top recruiters of the computer science engineering, just I am going to explain what are the top recruiters of the computer science engineers that are included. TCS Consultancy is a top recruiters. Google, Wipro, Microsoft, Infosys Technologies, IBM Global Services, Facebook, HCL Technologies, Paytm, and Microsystem. These are the top recruiters. After you will get the PG level, then you can go through all these different type of companies. And the salaries offered in different companies. I'm just going to explain what are the salaries you will be offered in different companies if you will go through the computer science engineering branch. Here, just I am showing you the screen that there are different type of companies which have already placed the many students, many more students, and they also come in our SIRT college. And these are the companies, and these are the placed students of SGI. These are the placed students of SGI, and they have to go through the placement, and different type of companies they hire, and with more and more salaries they are giving. Right now, I'm just explaining about the salaries offered in many companies. Means the job roles and average salary in 2 to 5 year work experience and top companies. And just I am categorized in this. If you are a computer programming engineer, if you are a computer programming engineer, and if you have the 2 to 5 year of work experience, and in IBM Global Services, they will offer 5.53 lakhs per annum. And if you are a system designer engineer, and if you have the 2 to 5 year of experience, and then TCS Consultancy offers 6.30 lakhs per annum. And if you are a software developer engineer, and if you have the 2 to 5 year of work experience, then Google company pay the 6.81 lakhs per annum. So I have just written here only 2 to 3 companies, but if you have the your choice, then you can go through that company, and you should have the experience of 2 to 5 years. Right now, if you will go through the freshers, then definitely you will also get the job in different companies with low salaries, but gradually it will be increased. So many students ask the different questions regarding the students generally ask, is computer science engineering a good career? Many students ask because there are so many branches, but students generally ask if computer science engineering a good career, good branch. Then the answer to this question is yes, because CSE is a popular educational course that emphasizes on the basic key elements of computer programming as well as the networking. Some other questions I have also explaining here. Related question and answers are related to the computer science engineering branch. Which engineering students generally ask, which engineering branches is the best for the future and high paying branches in the demand? The answer to this question is that computer science engineering means CSE branch or information technology IT branch, the top highest paid engineering branch in India. So many questions are regarding this computer science engineering or information technology branch regarding here's some one more question is that which engineer has the highest salary? Generally students or parents also ask which engineer has highest salary. Mm, because they will go through the specialization after UG level. So many parents also ask. So in terms of median, the answer to this question is that in terms of median pay and growth potential, computer hardware engineer has got highest salary. All these are different type of questions. Many questions the parents or the students are also asking. So here all these things are regarding the computer science engineering branch. And thank you for your time and cooperation. And this is presented by Professor Mukta Chandani. And here, the in the screen, the flashing is that my mobile number is there. So contact whenever you need any type of queries regarding the admission. And thank you very much on behalf of Sage Group SIRT. Thank you very much.